Hi guys, today we're gonna be unboxing into dumplings. One, two. First we're gonna unbox this one. I got the glitter. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. OMG. I got the glitter dumpling. Wait a second. What's this on the back? It's a nipple. I still got the glitter. Glitter. I'm so excited, literally. I'm in shock. I can't even say. Next one. Imagine this stick it up. One. Adapted. 3, 2, 1. There's no way. Oh, God. Glitter again. Guys, like and sub. These are actually what? And I put glitter on them. So gold glitter. Bye.